Get ready for the dictation. Start. On the other hand, the respondent filed a counter affidavit stating therein that in a writ petition filed by one Avnish Kumar, this court has directed that the respondent may inquire into the matter regarding the employees who have obtained the appointment under the dying in harness rules on the ground that their father or mother were in service of the respondent and died in harness, and on that basis some inquiry was conducted and it was found that the birth certificate submitted by the petitioner appears to be forged. Stop. Further allegation has been made that after inquiry it was found that only to get an appointment in the police department, the forged certificate of birth has been submitted by the petitioner, therefore, the appointment / selection of the petitioner is hereby cancelled. Stop para. I have considered the submissions made on behalf of the parties and perused the record. Stop. From the averments made by the parties in the writ petition as well as in the counter affidavit, it does not transpire that petitioner was ever given a notice and opportunity before passing the order impugned. Stop. Admittedly, the petitioner's appointment was of 1989. Stop. In case some inquiry as submitted by the respondent was made and a conclusion was arrived upon that petitioner only to get an appointment has filed a forged certificate claiming that his date of birth is 15/11/1969. Stop. Petitioner's case is that he has passed the high school in the year 1983 and certificate issued by the board was submitted mentioning therein that the date of birth of the petitioner is 15th November 1969. Stop. The respondents have not disclosed the fact that from where they have inquired into the matter and what are the documents to show thereunder that the certificate submitted by the petitioner was forged. Stop. Therefore, in my opinion, it was incumbent on the part of the respondents to have a proceeding against the petitioner as provided under the rules. Stop. The regulation itself provides that in case of some misconduct or if on the basis of some inquiry it has been found that a person has obtained the appointment by playing fraud, in that circumstance, unless and until the procedure of inquiry as provided under the rules is followed, no disciplinary action can be taken against an employee. Stop. It is also not the case of the respondent that after verification from the petitioner also it was established that the appointment has been obtained by playing fraud. Stop. Therefore, in view of settled principle of law, it was not necessary to give a notice and opportunity and to have a disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner, as it is settled in law that fraud vitiates everything unless and until it is established the procedure as provided cannot be bypassed. Stop. Article 311 (2) of the Constitution of India provides for dispensation of inquiry in case a finding is recorded by the disciplinary authority that it is not possible and feasible to have an inquiry in the circumstances of the case. Stop para. The submission of learned counsel for the petitioner is that the impugned order has been passed under section 48 (2) (a) of the Act, which gives the power to the state government to remove the precedent only if there has been a failure on the part of the precedent in performing his duties stop. It is contended that the charges leveled against the petitioner cannot be termed as failure on the part of the President in performing his duties, which is the ground for removing of the petitioner stop. The charges can be divided in two sets, one which relates to fixation of annual rent of 5 houses and lands, which was fixed at less than rental value, and the other regarding transfer of tenancy rights of 9 shops, out of which 8 shops were transferred in the preceding term, which ended in 2006, and only one with regard to the current term, for which explanation had been given by the petitioner in his detailed point-wise reply running in over 15 pages stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has vehemently argued that though show cause notice as well as opportunity of hearing was given to the petitioner, in response to which the petitioner had submitted his detailed point-wise reply and had also given his written submissions at the time of hearing, but none of them have been considered by the respondent number 1 while passing the impugned order, and all that has been stated is that no material evidence or ground has been given in the reply so as to discharge the petitioner of the charges stop. It is, thus, submitted that the impugned order has been passed by the respondents in a mechanical manner without application of mind and without considering the point-wise reply and written submissions of the petitioner, and as such, the impugned order is liable to be set aside stop.